change what happened to Carol. I've given you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to reunite with your mother.
My mother is and will always be part of my past, and I will continue to keep her vividly in my memories for the rest of my life. But I will never be left behind again. No! I will go on!
Okay, you win this time. Carola will be allowed to flourish again, but the breach will remain there, unchanged. Over time, I'll be back. It's just a matter of time. Sooner or later, you will crumble. And when you're sad and alone, I will infect everything you love and cherish.
And I will be ready to welcome you. After all, you are nothing more than any ordinary man!
Why do I feel like I'm reliving a moment I've already lived? You, me, on this bench, all of this.
AC, I'm sorry. It's my fault. Carola, it's too late.
It's never too late. Look, there is no seed that goes to waste. If it thrives in a freshly bloomed flower, so Carola will flourish again.
And I, with you by my side.
No, Princess, you said it right. This is not your place. It's time for you to return home. To your real home. It will be up to me and the other spirits to restore the kingdom of Carola to its former splendor. The time has come to say goodbye. A handshake and off we go?
I really don't know. Goodbyes have never been my thing.
And what if you need me?
I know you'll always be there, because I can feel it strongly inside me.
And now? What will you do? What does such a small and inadequate girl do in a world made of ash, tar, and coal?
She'll grow, she'll live, and she'll make her voice heard loudly. I leave to you, my shining soldier, the task of rebuilding Carola. Lord Basie, Prince of Carola.
Me? A prince?
Thanks, my friend. Thank you for everything.
Sweet Lana, this is Marcel. I'm just arrived in London. I can feel her, you know? Carol. Here. With the other suffragettes.
Ready?
I can hear her voice. And I feel her alive, blossoming again, even inside me. It really is true. There is no seed that goes to waste if it thrives in a freshly bloomed flower. Hope to see you and Amanda again. And that you may soon join me in London. It's true that here on the streets when the wind picks up, it's frigidly cold. And yet I say again and swear it now, that there's something all glorious and gracious in the wind. After all, what did Carol always say? When things don't go the way we want, try to see them from another perspective.
Sweet Carol.
It all starts and ends with a girl, too small and inadequate for that world of ash, tar, and cold where she was born. After all, in a world furiously ticking away like a crazed clock, what can
a little girl do?
do?
All by herself.
A voice